Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Exercise 2.4, class 9 mathematics, chapter number 2. Question number 2 of exercise 2.4, xa over xb a plus b whole raised to the power a plus b, xb over x to the power c whole to the power b plus c multiplied by xc over x to the power a whole raised to the power c plus a is equal to 1. You have to show that by taking this left hand side, and we have to prove that this left hand side is equal to 1. That we have to show. Proof: left hand side is equal to ax a over xb a plus b. Notice the pattern, a b here a plus b, b c here b plus c here, c a here c plus a. Now using the law of exponent, this x bases are same. The exponent can be moved to the, it will make a minus b. This exponent c will be moved here, b minus c with the minus sign. Here again the bases are same. You can move this exponent a with the minus sign, c minus a. So here I am using the law of exponent number 2. Now this exponent will be multiplied by this. Again a power mn, these two will be multiplied. Same is the case here, and same is the c minus a into c plus a. Now using the formula, algebraic formula, a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. This is the third algebraic formula. B minus c to b plus c, it will give you b square minus c square using this the same formula, and c minus a into c plus a, it will give you c square minus a square. So after simplifying these brackets, now again x again the bases are same, their powers will be added. So a square minus b square plus here b square plus c square plus c square minus a square. Notice that a square will be cancelled by positive a square will be cancelled by minus a square, plus b square will be cancelled by minus b square, plus c square will be cancelled by minus c minus c minus c square. It will give you the value, 0, and you know that if any of the variable has an exponent 0, it is equal to 1, again using the law of exponent, and that equal to right hand side. Again a very important question number 3. Simplify. 2 power 1 over 3 into 27 1 by 3 into 61 by 2 over 181 over 2 multiplied by 4 into minus 1 over 3 multiplied by 9 into 1 over 4. This problem is a very important problem, and yesterday I told you that one long question will be definite from this exercise 2.4. Now here 2 power 1 over 3, 27 into 1 over 3 into 61 over 2. Now 2 1 over 3, 27 can be written as 3 power 3, it will give you 1 over 3 here. Now make 60 into factorize 8, 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. So I factorize this 60 with the help of prime factors. You know 2 3s are 6 0, again 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, and 3 5s are 15, and 5 is equal to 1. So these are the factors of 60. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 equal to 1/2. Repeat this procedure with the same number, 180 into 1/2 into 4 minus 1/3. So 1/80 can be resolved into factors like this: 2 to the 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, multiplied by 5 will give you 180. 4 can be written as 2 to the power 2 into minus 1/3. 9 can be written as 3 into 2 into 1/2. This 3 will be cancelled by this, only 3 will be left. Now this 2 into 2 can be written as 2 to the power 2. 3 this exponent is also applied on this 3 1/2 and 5 1/2. Repeat this with the same, make it this 2 multiplied by 2, it will give you 2 square. 3 into 3 into it will give you 3 square, and 5 into 1/2. This 2 will be multiplied by minus 1/3, it will give you minus 2/3, and 2 will be cancelled by this, it will give you 3 1/2. Now this 2 will be cancelled by this, and it will give you 2 here. This 2 will be cancelled by this, it will give you 3. 5 into 1/2, 2 into minus 2/3, and 3 1/2. Now this 2 will be cancelled by this again. 3 2 1/3 into 3 into 2 cancelled by this. This is 2, 3 1/2, and 5/2. Now simplify the similar terms. Or shifting their exponent to the numerator, it will give you this 2 1/3, 2, and 2 minus 1. Then when the bases are same, you see 2 2 2 and 2, their powers will be added like this. So plus 1 will be minus 1, 1/3 plus 2/3, it will give you 3/3. Now this plus 1/2 will be cancelled by minus now 3 3 3 3 3, the bases are the same, powers will be added like this. And same is the case with here, 1/2 plus powers will be added, bases are same, 1/2 minus 1/2. So 3 power 0 it will be 1, 5 power 0 it will be 1, and 1/3 plus 2/3, if the denominators are same, numerators will be added, 1 plus 2 3, 3/3, it will give you the answer 2. A very famous question. Two 2/3 multiplied by 25, 1/2, 0.04 minus 1/2. 216 can be written as 6 power 3. This will be cancelled by this, only 6 power 2 left. 25 can be written as 2, 5 to the power 2 into 2/2, it will give you 5. 2 can be written as this is here, it is minus 1/2. You can shift the taking reciprocal of this fraction, it will be 100/4, it will give you 25 1/2. So 25 can be written as 5 to the power 2. 2 will be cancelled by this, 5 will be cancelled by in the next step, 5 will be cancelled by this. Now 6 to the power 2 only, it will give you 6 here. Goodbye and Allah Hafiz for today. See you with the next questions. See you again.